Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In the last tutorial, we explained how to prepare interpolation map in ArcGIS, and today's session I will show how to reclass the interpolation map, or how we can we can do the different zonation according to our requirement from the interpolation. That I will do today. Okay, so if you do not see my previous tutorial, you just go the my channel and you can access from there. Okay, so for the you can see here, this is our study area Tripura. This is the different points that and this is our interpolation on the basis of water quality index. Okay, now actually the thing is that water quality index have the specific zonation, and that is the less than 25, then 25 to 50, 50 to 75, 75 to 100, and above 100. Then there is a total of 5 class, and I want to reclass this the interpolation into 5 class, and I again want to classify, or I want to calculate the area of each class. So everything will do this today's tutorial. Okay, so for the reclass, you just go the data management tool. Okay, and here you can see, sorry, no need to go the data management, it is within the spatial analysis tool. Go below, you can see reclass. Okay, this on reclass, and here you can see the reclassify. So double click here, so new dialog box will come. So click this IWD Tripura new. Okay, because we actually doing our work within this new. Here just click on the classify. So how many classification you required? Here is a number of classification. So for that, if you have standardized value, that means you have if you want to customize your classification, so you just click here the manual entry. Okay, so manual entry, or you can click the equal interval. Okay, whatever you want to do. So I want to classify into the 4 class. Okay, or I want to classify into 5 class according to your requirement. So basically the just click here classify. So how many class you required? So according to your customized classification or required class, you can do here. So natural wave is there. So I want to classify my study in total 4 class. Okay, so what will be the 4 class? So first class will be less than 25, second class will be 50, third class will be my 75. Okay, so then click OK. So now we can see here the first class less than 25, second class 25 to 50, 50 to 75, and more than 75. So this is the total 4 class that actually I classified among the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 class. So according to requirement, you can reclass. Okay, after that you just click a output raster where you need to save your new the output. So here I want to write reclass. Okay, so reclass IWD Tripura new. Okay, click and save, click and OK. So new reclass image will come. So let's see. Okay, new class already come. So according to my class, there is a 4 class already come. Now I want to modify this. How I will modify? Just click here, go to properties, then from the color scheme you can select any one of them. So the thing is that this is the water quality index, so I prefer blue color for the zonation map. So click and apply and OK. So from the zonation you can clearly see the low value, medium, high, and very high. You can see the concentration of the water quality. Okay, so this is the process by which we can reclass. Now another one step we'll do today, that is the classification, that is the area of each class. That means the I want to rename here. So this one less than 25. Okay, So again to one is 50, we know that. So second one is 25 to 50, third value is 50 to 75, and the fourth value is more than 75. Okay, then click and apply, and okay. So these are the class, and I also want to calculate the area of each class. That means how much area falls under less than 25 water quality index, how much area fall in between 25 to 50 water quality index, how much area fall above this 75 water quality index. Okay, how can we do? So click here, go to open attribute table. Here from the table, from the drop down, we just click here, select this add field, right area. Okay, then click on double or float, whatever you select, double, then click OK. So now I will calculate the area of each class. We know that value 1 is the less than 25, value 2 means 20 to 50, then 3, and value 4 means above 75. Okay, so before going to the calculations of the area of each class, we actually need the cell size. So from here we can find the cell size. So you go directly this IWD, right click, go to properties, go to source, and you can see here this is the cell size. Okay, so 0.000 something is the cell size. So just click here, copy it. Okay, the first one, this is the cell size from the source cell size. Okay, now come here, this area, go to the fill calculator, click on yes. Now you select count, because we have the count. What is the count? Count means the number of pixel of each class. So the first class, that means less than 25, there is a total 1513 pixel. So click here this count, that means number of pixel into the the cell size. Okay, then again into cell size divided by 1 million, that means 1, then 60, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This actually provide you square kilometer. If you select here, instead of 6 digit of 0, 5 digit, then it will show you meter. Okay, so this is the 1 million. So this is very simple. Count matlab number of cell size into number of the pixel, then cell size into cell size, then divided by 1 million. This is very simple. Then click OK, and this is the very shortcut or easy method by which we can easily calculate the area of any raster.